Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the page size in Canva without needing a pro version. If you are working with a free account, don't worry. We will guide you through a simple workaround to resize your design. On your Canva dashboard, we will change the size of a Canva project. First, click on File, then create a new design. Here, you will choose the size you want. It can be landscape, whiteboard, or any other option. You can also click on Custom Size if you prefer. For this example, we will convert the size to inches. For the width, we will set it to 11.69 inches, and for the height, 8.27 inches. This is the standard size for an A4 landscape. Let's apply that size. As you can see, it is now a different size from the original. Now, we need to copy all the designs from the previous project. To do that, press Ctrl A to select all the elements, then right-click and choose Copy. On the new blank canvas, all we need to do is paste the design. As you can see, we can now resize the project to fit as needed. We can also adjust the design to match the new size. And that's it. We have successfully changed the size of the Canva project without using Pro. That's how easy it is to change the page size in Canva for free. With this simple method, we can adjust any design to fit the size we need.